Hi everyone, good morning or good afternoon. Welcome to the English classes for the 4th grade. On previous lessons, we were seeing some daily activities we do each day, like taking a shower, brushing my teeth, clipping my nails, and today we're gonna see some more activities. We're gonna see 4 more activities that are the next one on the screen. That is, eat or eating, play or playing, cooking, do homework or doing homework. These activities are on the screen and we can see some examples of them. Now, I also want to show you some items that we use when we're doing those activities. They are the next ones. We have pencil, video games, pan or fry pan, fork, apron, spoon, plate, ingredients, knife, and spatula. Okay? Now that we have seen some items, I want you to help me so we can place those items on their correct verbs that are the ones that use those items. Are you ready for it? Now, what I want you to do is to tell me where can I place these items. Can you help me with that? Let's start with this. The first one is going to be the pencil. Can you tell me what do I need the pencil for? I need the pencil for eating, cooking, doing homework, or playing. Which of the 4? Can you tell me? Doing homework, right? Okay, let's see in doing homework if we have the pencil in there. Are you ready? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Is there? Yes, it is. Okay, that's excellent. Let's continue with the next one. That is the video games. In which verb can I find the video games? Do I eat video games? Do I cook video games? Do I do my homework with video games? Or I play video games? That's correct. Video games goes in play. Let's see if it's there. Okay, there it is. That's excellent. Very good, guys. Let's continue with the next ones. We have 6 more. Can you help me with them? Pan. In which verb do I use pan? I use the pan for eating, playing, cooking, or doing homework. It's for cooking. That's excellent. What about the fork? The fork is used to cook or to eat. It's used to eat, right? It's an eating. That's excellent. What about the next one? That is the apron. The apron is used for cooking or is used for eating? It's for cooking, right? That's excellent. What about the spoon? The spoon is for cooking or eating? It's for eating, right? And now let's go with the last 4. The plate is for cooking or eating? The plate is used for eating, right? And the ingredients are used for cooking. What about the knife? Well, the knife is used for eating. And the spatula is used for cooking. That's excellent. Now that we have seen this part, let's continue with the next one. We have a third exercise that is here. In this exercise, we have a Venn diagram. On the Venn diagram, we have 2 circles. One is for children, and the other one is for adults, right? Now we have in the middle a part that says both. This part means that is the 2 of them, is children and is adults. Okay? Now that we know more about the Venn diagram, I have 4 things in there. You can see a soap, a pan, a nail clipper, and a doll. I want you to tell me where can I place those items. For example, the pan. The pan is used by children or is used by adults? Well, the pan is used by adults, right? So let's grab this pan and put it on the circle of adults. That's good. Very good. Now I want to continue with the next one. I'm gonna take my soap. Ready? Now this soap is used by children or is used by adults or is used by the 2, by both? Well, it's used by both, right? I'm gonna take this soap and I'm gonna put it on both. That's excellent. Very good. Now let's go with the next one, that is the nail clipper. Who uses the nail clipper? The nail clipper is used by adults or the nail clipper is used by children, or the nail clipper is used by both, by children and adults? Well, it's used by both, right? I'm gonna take this nail clipper as well and I'm gonna put it on both. That's good. And the last one is a doll. Who uses the doll? Adults or children? Well, it's for children, right? I'm gonna take this doll and I'm gonna put it on the circle of children. And that is how we made a Venn diagram. If you can see, there is a part for children and there is a part for adults. And also, we have a part that is shared by the two of them, by children and adults. That's very good. Now that we have made this Venn diagram, I'm gonna make 4 sentences with the Venn diagram. Okay? Are you ready for it? The first one is like this. The pan is used by adults for cooking. Very good. We had made the first sentence. Now let's make the second sentence. It's going to be the soap. Ready? I'm gonna write. The soap is used by children, by adults, or the two of them, both. Well, the soap is used by the both, right? So I'm gonna write in there, the soap is used by children and adults for taking a shower. Let's continue with the other one, that is the nail clipper. The nail clipper is used by children and adults for clipping nails. And the last one is going to be the doll. And I'm going to write a sentence about the doll as well. It's going to be the doll is used by children, right? Not by adults, just the children, right? The doll is used by children for playing. Now we have made 4 sentences using a Venn diagram. That's very good for you. Now we're going to continue with the last exercise. This last exercise is going to be an exercise for a riddle. You know what is a riddle? We have to guess what is the riddle about. Let's see it. This is the exercise number 3. And we have an example for you, and you're going to do the next ones by your own. Number 1 is done by children and adults. By 2, children and adults. Is done with soap and shampoo. Which activity is done with soap and shampoo and children and adults can do it? Is cooking? Cooking or eating? No, right? Playing? No. What about taking a shower? Taking a shower involves a soap, shampoo, and children and adults can do it. So let's write in there, taking a shower. And that is the answer for the number 1. Now, I'm going to help you to read the next ones, but you have to do them by yourself. Are you ready? Number 2, it says, is done by children. Just children, not adults. Okay? It's done by children. And it's done with pencils and notebooks. Which activity is that? The number 3 says, is done by adults. It's done with ingredients and an apron. What is that? You can also use a fry pan. What is that activity? The number 3, it says like this. It's done by children. Just children, not adults. It's done with video games and dolls and soccer balls and basketballs. What is it? Can you guess it? And the last one, it says, it's done by children and adults. The two of them, both. It's done with a fork and plates and spoons and knife. What is that activity? Can you write it on the bottom? And that's it for this week. Hope you have learned a lot about daily activities, hygiene habits, and the items we use to make each one of them. I hope to see you again soon. Have an excellent week, have an excellent weekend, and an excellent month. I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.